to Halau Lani. We'd like to thank you for allowing them to be a part of this wonderful festivity. Thank you for coming out tonight. Please don't leave, we got lots more great entertainment. Our next Ohana will be up to perform for you. So, and I want to introduce you, if you don't already know, to our Kumu Valerie Dua Temahaga. Valerie, raise your hand, Valerie. Hey, you know this crowd? This crowd is not a clapping crowd, yeah? Guys, take a break, clap for the Kumu. And then somebody was walking out with one of the centerpieces, so just wanted to remind you again, this is not a rummage sale or a garage sale. The centerpieces belong to the Ohana, so please leave them over there. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Hawaii, you're my home.
Hawaii on my home.
there